Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and, Windows Computer and Technology channel, and VLC is blaming Microsoft for the slow times and the long times that it takes sometimes to start up. So some users have been complaining that, for example, opening a video file or just opening an MP3 with VLC was taking forever. Now, I've done it a few times on my PC. I haven't seen much sluggishness, but some people report it can take up to 45 seconds for an MP3 to play once you click on the file. So VLC says it's a bug with Windows Defender and the antivirus, the Windows Security app, and that Microsoft needs to do something about it. They say that it's not their fault. It's nothing on their side. So, of course, there's no response from Microsoft, but I'm curious. So I'd like to know out there for some of you that are using the VLC multimedia app, have you noticed that it takes a really long time for it to open when you try to open a file? I have noticed something, and I don't know if it comes from the same type of problem, but I do a lot of recordings with Audacity and have noticed that Audacity recently, on several occasions, took a good 30 seconds to open once I clicked. I wasn't even sure if I actually had clicked properly when I opened it. And it's not happening all the time, but I wonder if that could also be related. So, if any of you have those problems, how about letting us know in the description below? Is your VLC app sluggish and takes a long time to open? Let us know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.